Hi, I'm Elle McCann, owner of Curious Themes Web Development Studio in Nashville, Tennessee. We've been Shopify experts now for over 5 years, and I am so excited to announce that we are doing a big giveaway because we just hit 5,000 subscribers on YouTube. Yep, 5,000. This is so exciting for us because we didn't even know if anyone would subscribe at all, and so we are so excited to continually keep bringing you these helpful YouTube video tutorials all about our favorite platform, Shopify. So to honor the fact of hitting this 5,000 number, we are actually going to be doing a big giveaway. So we have a couple online classes, which you can check out at shopifyclasses.com. And we have our main one, which helps you set up your Shopify store in just a weekend. And we also have a few mini courses, which is what we like to call them, which is all about how to market your Shopify store once you've got it set up. So we have one on email marketing with MailChimp, we have one on increasing your conversion rate, and also setting up SEO for your online store. So we are going to be giving away these 3 classes to 10 lucky people who enter our giveaway, and this is just our big way of saying thank you so much, and we are committed to helping you grow your Shopify store. So to get more information about how to enter our giveaway, make sure to click the link below this description or in the info card somewhere, and go ahead and get entered today because we'll only be running it for a few days, and then get everyone who does win into the class backend so that they can start going through and learning how exactly to market their online store once they've launched. So thank you so much if you are already a subscriber. We really appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and be added to our list of being the first to be notified when we put out any new videos all about Shopify and how to grow your online store.